Okay, so now comes the most exciting part where we're going to establish this entire automation scenario. And now this automation scenario will be built on make.com. So let's log into make. I already logged in here, and I'll even share you the scenario blueprint once we are done completely with this. Okay, before that, I will show you a real cool trick. So how I can generate or how I use ChatGPT. So for example, let's say currently you see all of these data are straight available, right? So they are all the same data point available here. In case if I wanted to generate some dummy data, because we are not going to have the live leads at this point on this demonstration, and I would need like about 25-30 leads to be processed and to show you how the entire location is working. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take this entire data out, this entire column structure. I'll go to ChatGPT. Let me start a new chat. Okay, perfect. And I'll say, okay, generate me set of dummy data for the following leads master table. Right. Now this would not know what is the reason and product interested. Take following reasons and take following reasons. So here we can say we have 4 reasons available over here: north, east, west. Okay, I'll just say north, east, west, south, and central. Now product, consider the following product list. So here we have these 5 products available. So now GPT, you will see GPT is wonder. So it's going to generate a whole list of data. Okay, I'll say give output in proper JSON format and hit. Okay, so over here it started generating data. So first name, last name, email, phone number, region north, butter, then region east, this is cheddar cheese, right, and so on. So it generated me how many? Okay, I'll say generate a set of 25 records. I think initially it gave me 10 records. Now we are asking it to generate 25 records. So it's going to rerun everything. And you see the wonder. So GPT can work really fast in this case, and we will have very soon we'll have this entire data available for our own automation testing. Good. Okay, meanwhile, let's go there on the make.com scenario. Over here on this make.com scenario, I'm using a parse JSON module because we got some dummy data from ChatGPT over here. Now this is not necessary, like it's just for the dummy data to start the entire scenario. However, trigger can be anything. So trigger means like from where or which event the scenario is going to start. So for example, here we have something called Facebook module, Facebook leads ad, and we can add this trigger called new lead. So triggers when a new lead is created. So as soon as any new lead arrives, this particular module is going to trigger the entire scenario. So I'll just apply it over here. Now similarly, the trigger can be anything else. So let's say if I'm going with LinkedIn forms, so it says LinkedIn lead generation forms, and I can simply apply this trigger. But you should ensure that the trigger should be only one for one scenario. So one scenario cannot have multiple triggers. It can only have one trigger. In case if you have multiple lead sources, we can create multiple scenarios for that instance. However, the trigger can be only one. Even this include WordPress form as well. So for example, I'll say WordPress, and over here there will be a submission. So as soon as someone submits a lead item, it's going to trigger this entire scenario. WP forms, let me see. Yeah, over here it says watch new form entries. So we can add even this one. So it can be any trigger which is coming from where the leads are submitted, and they can trigger the entire automation scenario. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how I use this entire data to run this dummy scenario over here, and we are going to build this entire automation scenario step by step with all the conditions, with all the mappings all together. So thank you. I'll see you there.